The plans for the reopening of the schools follow the outcome of the report of a study conducted with support from UNICEF on the impact of insecurity on the access to education in 3 local government areas of Rafi, Shiroro and Munya worst hit by insecurity in Niger State. Findings from the report, apart from the 114 schools closed down, showed that between 2020 and 2025, 370 school attack incidents were recorded, with 27 children and 4 school staff members abducted. Speaking during the unveiling of the report, the Commissioner for Basic and Secondary Education, Hadiza Mohammed, disclosed that the government has resolved to upgrade security infrastructure in public schools affected by insecurity, which is part of the recommendations of the report.
Our functional schools, especially the boarding schools today, are about 35 that are functional. And those that are still facing the insecurity challenges in Niger State, we are relocating them back to the cities and fixing them up to other schools, annexing them in the name of the schools where they were moved from. Example is like Government Science College Kagara. We are moving it back to Mina and naming it Government Science College Kagara, because learning has to continue.
While decrying the detrimental impact of insecurity on the state's education system, she said plans are also underway to establish early warning systems in public schools around vulnerable areas. The Chief of Education, UNICEF Nigeria, Vanessa Lee, represented by the education specialist Believe Eke, emphasized that the study presented is aimed at providing evidence-based insights for effective decision-making and policy development to ensure quality education for children in conflict-affected areas.
What we are recommending for the states and also for partners to also work on is that, one, they should really upgrade some of this infrastructure, do more of renovation and provide security to those schools. We can start with even just getting security men at the schools first, just as small as that. Then also raising awareness on safety within the community, local recruitment of some of those facilitators and those that would teach the students at the school level.
Both the education secretaries of Shiroro Hosseini Baba and that of Rafi Ahmed Madaki explained the present security situation in their areas.
With this present situation, there is improvement because some of the community members, they are starting going back to their various homes. But the schools in most of the places, we cannot open them now.
Compared to 3 years back, where you will see about 80-something schools closed down because of this insecurity. But since there is improvement in this issue of our security, some of these schools have been reopened. And then we are functioning the way it's supposed to.
According to UNICEF, the plan is essential to mobilizing political will, raising awareness, and promoting collaborative solutions for safeguarding and sustaining education in conflict-affected areas.